Yeah. Hello guys. Hello ka.
Hello guys.
Edit.
Hello guys.
Edit.
Medyo ni ate kasi gagawin natin mga suspect ni ate para gagawin niya mukha niya para labos-labos siya tapos tulog siya tapos cellphone tulog tapos matulog agad si ate guys. Kasi guys kasalanan ni ate oh my gosh guys. Oh no. Magagamot to ni nanay, guys. Kasi guys, kasalanan ni ate talaga. Sabi, mga tao, mga suspect, magpalo si ate talaga ito, guys. Guys, palo niya.
Ang pala Philippines.
Guys,
Stop doing that. Fabulous.
wait lang. Guys, guys.
Na?
Wala pa, guys.
Tingnan.
Wait
Ay.
pa, guys. Tignan, guys. Ay. Mau, 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 mau.
Oh my god. Wait lang. Oh, mom. Bakit pa talaga ito nangyari? Meow, meow. Meow, meow. Meow, meow. Middle finger ka doon?
Guys, oh, tingnan mo nga, guys.
Bastos ka.
Tapos,
Oh my god.
Tapos, tingnan mo, guys. Ton. Jowa ni ate.
Sige, sila. Okay, I'll break your bracelet down.
No, guys. Because, guys, I love you, guys. Pagit si ate, guys, kasi di maganda si ate.